Hello, I'm Manuela Marulanda, plant manager at Prudential Overall Supplies. I'm really building my career in the business with this company. I came to United States 5 years ago. I am from Colombia, work in many different companies until 3 years ago that I get here as a laundry worker, and I was able to start studying some English and building my career. I am currently getting the tuition reimbursement from the company. They are paying every class and materials. I started as a soil sorter in one department, then moving up to distribution. Then they promote me as a supervisor. Once I started getting the language, I was promoted as a production manager and finally as a plant manager. This company has been great to me. It helps me help my family in my country. I was able to build a house for my mom. I am able to pay them every month for grocery stuff to my little brothers, which it's great. It's been great to how they teach me every day very different things about the businesses. It's been great to work in an environment where I feel welcome every day, where I feel that they are able to open every opportunity that they can find for me. I'm really happy with this company, and I will say you should find a place where you're able to grow, and this is the place that I found for me.